today's video, we're showing you how to make this DIY Nightmare Before Christmas wreath. Alright, for this project we'll be using a 24-inch wreath, and the first step will be to create our monster teeth on the inside ring. We'll be using white foam board for the monster teeth, and as you can see here, we'll just lay the wreath down and get a quick sketch of the arch needed for the top teeth. Moving on to this next step, we'll go ahead and sketch in some top teeth. We will mirror the arch for the bottom teeth and sketch those in as well. We then move on to cutting out these monster teeth. We'll go ahead and cut along the top and bottom arch and get a quick test fit on our wreath. Test fit looks good, so now we move on to cutting out these monster teeth. We'll start with some simple sharp teeth and come back and refine them later. Alright, once our top and bottom teeth have been cut out, we'll do another test fit and make sure the size and placement looks good, and then we'll move on to refining the teeth. We'll do this by cutting in some different angles as well as giving the teeth some height and length variations. We finish up by erasing our sketch and move on to gluing these teeth in place. The gluing is pretty simple. We'll just drop in a few dots of hot glue and hold the teeth in place while the glue dries. Teeth are in and look good, so now we'll go ahead and fluff the wreath. Next step will be to create these monster eyes. We'll take our white foam board and sketch in a creepy eyeball. Once that's done, we'll cut it out, flip it over, and trace out a copy for the other side. Alright, monster eyes look good. Next step will be to use some markers to drop in our base color and some creepy eyeballs. We're using hot glue to attach these monster eyes. As you can see, we'll just drop in a nice big glob of hot glue and attach it to the wreath. In this next step, we're creating a background piece. We do this by cutting a piece of black foam board that fits the very back outer ring. As with the other elements, we drop in a few glue dots and hold it in place while the glue dries. Background piece is done, and as you can see, it creates some contrast and nice depth in the mouth area. Moving along, we hang the wreath on the door and use some garland to create the monster's arms. You got a lot of options in this step. As you can see, we create some arms that kind of reach out looking to grab you, but if you're hanging this over a doorway or maybe a large archway, you could outstretch these hands to have a little more presence. And for the last step in this project, we add a nice big red Christmas bow as seen in the movie.
Hope you guys like this DIY Nightmare Before Christmas wreath. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Santa?
Merry Christmas!